everyone, it's Annette Vance here with Page Signature. I'm here to introduce you to one of our listings, 30 Brisco. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom renovated bungalow in one of the finer areas of Brampton. So we've got a beautiful brick bungalow. It is nicely stoned with a beautiful new finished door. And one of the highlights to this property is the fact that it's got a humongous driveway with a double-car garage and a workshop that's fully insulated and heated. So if you're someone who likes to build things, works from home, needs some storage, this just might be the property for you. So come follow me and I'll give you a sneak peek of the inside. So I'm just inside the living room right now, and I'm gonna give you a quick sneak peek. It's beautiful hardwood floors in this property. It's fully renovated. As you can see, it's a little open concept as it opens up to the kitchen from the living room. It has a beautiful window in the dining room. It's freshly painted. Bathrooms are renovated, and I'll give you stainless steel appliances, backsplash, you name it, this property has it done. So it's beautifully bright, and for a bungalow it's really quite spacious. So this here is actually one of my favorite features if you are a larger family or have a teenager. This is a fully contained independent unit to give someone the privacy that they need. It's got its own entrance. It does have another exit here through the laundry room. As you can see, it has its own laundry. The bedroom is ginormous and it has a great size window. And then as we come out, it basically goes through the kitchen into the living room area. Once again, freshly painted, pot lights throughout, and a beautiful bathroom. If you'd like to arrange for your own private showing, feel free to message us or give us a call at 416-825-5141.